And this is trading, right? We all learn and grow together, and every day is a learning experience. See what we could have done differently.
Not just winning days, but more days without a single loss than I've had days with a single loss. The strategy is just, again, I'm mind blown.
Okay, I'm getting into a sell now, and I'm just holding it. Currently, I'm creating a little stop loss here. So I'm going to get the stop loss, bring it down. As you can see, I just dragged it to right there. So if it hits, it's going to take me out, making it tight. So if it hits, it hit. So on one trade, we did $38.59, and the other trade we did $91.
But interesting. It's interesting how I'm learning when the market's that rangy. It pays to be very, very patient.
An overview of the system. So this is what the system actually looks like throughout the day. So throughout the day, you can tie this to your phone. It'll have pop-ups on your computer. And this right here is the NAS 100, the futures on the 1 minute chart. So this is actually from yesterday and this morning. You see a buy alert comes up. Buy alert, buy, sell. Okay, maybe you didn't win that one. Buy, sell, buy. Another buy alert just came in just a few minutes ago. So you can see what I found personally in my own personal trading is that about 7 out of 10 of these alerts are winners for me. And so far, just this week, in the last 2 days, I've taken 18 trades. I've had 12 winners, 6 losers, and I've personally gained about 20%. So again, it's going to vary depending on what you do. But this just gives you an example. So when the buy alert comes up or the sell alert, you can go in, you can click it. We have a bunch of different training on the system and how this works. There's also a trade manager. You can see kind of down here in the bottom. And so this is something that when you see a buy alert, you can hit buy, you can hit sell, and then the stop losses automatically go in place. Take profit comes in place. You can adjust this depending on what you want to do. Now, you can trade all sorts of different instruments with this software. It's a software education program. You can trade futures like the NAS 100. You can trade Forex if that's what you like. Right here is the pound versus the USD pair on the 15-minute chart. So you can trade 5 minute, 1 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, whatever you want. But again, this is the pound versus the dollar. You see again, buy, 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 buy. So again, all it's doing is giving you some indications of what might be a good trade. If you'd like to trade crypto, this is actually Bitcoin versus US dollar. Buy, 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 sell. So you're going to see some arrows come up. This arrow just came up just a few minutes ago. The arrow is an indication of where it may go. There's tons of training, recorded videos on how to use the alerts, best practices, trade risk management. The alert, the arrow. I don't usually trade on the arrows, but it gives you an indication that if this confirms a signal, the arrow will turn into a buy, sell, whatever it may be. So you can trade all sorts of different instruments. This is the DAX on the 1 minute chart. Sell, sell. You see, this is where the arrow is. It didn't confirm, but it did go in the trend. Buy, sell. Again, arrow right here. Didn't confirm, but just look at this trend. If you take this sell alert and you follow it all the way down using the way that we teach you how to do it, what kind of move is that? So you're looking at well over almost $250 move, depending on what your risk management is, depending on what your lot size is. That's a significant move. And you can do this on all sorts of things. You can trade gold. You can trade oil. Again, here's the pound, dollar. You can trade Forex. This is the US 30. So it's the futures on the Dow Jones Industrial. Buy. Look at that spike right there. buy. What kind of move is that? $144, $150 move, buy, and then look at this sell. So if you get in these type of moves, you're just following the system, about $150 move. So again, this is something that you don't have to do a technical analysis for. This is not something you have to sit in front of a computer all day. That's why they have the trade manager and the risk amount. So you can come in, you can put a sell order in. It'll automatically put in a stop loss. You can put in take profit if that's what you want to do. You can get up and walk away. You can go to a meeting. You can go to the grocery store. Go do whatever you need to do. Again, all this system is designed to do is to give you alerts on when is a potential good time to get into a buy. When is a potential good time to get into a sell? So do you want to trade Forex? Do you want to trade crypto? Do you want to trade the futures? Do you actually want to trade stocks? You know, you can put this onto a stock chart if you want to trade stocks. It's all up to you. Again, the system is an incredible system. So the goal is how do you compound your account, you know, anywhere from 1 to 3% a day. Now, if you can do that and you can stick with it for a year, it's going to completely change your financial future. There's also an affiliate side on the software program. So if you get into the system and you're making some good returns and it's really good and you like it, you can tell your friends, you can tell your colleagues, and you can actually make a little bit of money on that side of it too. So just wanted to give you a quick overview of exactly what this system looks like, how it works, what the alerts look like. Again, you can go back to the landing page, check it out, look at all the different videos. Again, there's hundreds of more videos that we have attached to a YouTube page. So if you have any questions, please feel free to get back with the person that sent you.